Action configuration options will be set up in configuration with the data type H-Screen Action Config. This ensures that the following screen is available in App Master Data to allow the action setup. The action code must be already programmed in the code for the particular app screen, but App Master Data allows the customizing of the position, icons, and/or text that will be displayed on the screen. The action code is the code that has been programmed for the app to perform a specific function. The available action codes will be documented in the specific app configuration guide. It is not possible to create a new action without an enhancement, but actions can be removed so that they are not visible to the users. Action codes must always be entered in capitals and must not have any spaces. The default toggle is to activate a particular action as the default for the screen when enter is pressed. T code to call is the transaction that the action will jump to. Action description is text that is displayed on the screen. Using the F4 lookup 1 can see the list and select either DDIC entries or text override entries defined in WM_CGF. By selecting the appropriate tab in the search pop-up and then selecting the DDIC item or text ID as appropriate. Using F1 will display the text description behind the DDIC or text ID in the field. If the button action button is ticked, the action appears as a standalone item on the screen in the position determined by the button position. If the toggle is off, the action is automatically added to a kebab menu in the position determined by the button position controls, where on the screen the action is displayed. The icon action is used to add an SAP icon, and it will be displayed for the action. The tooltip action is for tooltip text. Text entered here will display as tooltip text when using the apps on desktop. The tooltip text does not display on Android devices. Lastly, the class is entered. If actions are dependent on certain conditions or other criteria, a class may be assigned to the action. Alternatively, the text displayed can be changed for a particular action based on certain criteria. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more how-to videos.